Okay, so this one's going to be a short one, just because I want to go for a walk before the sun goes down. And I got some other stuff to do. So, we finished our back testing on the Money Flow Index 3-hour 2.0. And as you can see, a good amount of losses, equaling into the somehow only a 40% win rate. Positive, but not positive enough to even cover fees or slippage, which is not good. So, time to change a variable now. The variable that we are going to be changing is going to be the previous swing low or high. And I have been noticing with a lot of the back tests I've done that rather than using the previous, we're going to use the second previous one. I don't exactly know what to call that, but in this example is a great one, because this actually is one of the losses that occurred on May 25th at 8 o'clock. So we'll go there, May 25th, long, and lost because it got stopped out. And you can see, so we entered on this candle close. The previous swing low is right there, and it immediately sniped it, and then went back up. And it literally went to it. It wicked past it a bit, but it closed and then opened and went right back up and then past the profit target. So if we were to move that to, just put on the line chart to get a clear definition, if we move that to this swing low, I guess we'll call it, because it's not the previous low. So go to that there. We would ultimately have to push this up, or we're gonna have to be pushing up our ratio for a higher percentage move in the actual asset itself, but it may give us more winners. We never know. So we're gonna have to test this. And this one, this clearly would have been nice. Down to that one. There, down to the second previous swing low or swing high. Only went down there and then put, oops, moved that. And then pushed right through the take profit, and then it kept rallying. Just kept rallying. And I know there probably are a lot more examples through here, but I'm only just going to go through the one just because I want to keep this short. So, next we're going to move on to a Money Flow Index 3-hour 3.0, which the variable you already know is that we're changing is going to be the swing, or the stop loss rule at the previous swing high or swing low, which we're going to change to the second. So we're going to copy and paste that and move it down. This one is going to come after. We're going to do a little momentum wave, which momentum waves are just little momentum waves moving. But we're not going to get into that now. That's for another time. We're just keeping it with the money flow at the moment. But that's it at the moment. Just giving a little update on the back testing. And the next video will be another backtesting starting the 3.0. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.